Hello, welcome to page one of the A Day at the Races literature. This is Ovid Amores 3.2, A Good Day at the Circus, but we don't know about that. So we're going to get rid of that for now and just look at the Latin and try and work out what's going on ourselves. We're even going to get rid of most of the vocabulary, so we're just looking at what Ovid has written. Right. Now, let's see what line 1 means. Okay, this is poetry. Non ego nobilium serio studiosus equorum. That sounds a bit strange. Let's see what's going on. We know what ego means, I, and we know what non sedeo means, I'm not sitting. Okay. This word is our word studious, meaning keen or whatever. The vocab here says be a fan of, so let's stick with that. So I'm not sitting. A fan as a fan, and that's plus genitive as it says down there. So as a fan of horses, remember the gen case means of horses. And this word here, nobilium, as you can see, means well bred. It's our word noble. You see the um on the end is the third declension genitive plural ending, so it agrees with equorum. This is something you get in poetry where often the adjective is some way from its noun. So let's show that by doing that. How about that? So I'm not sitting as a fan of well-bred horses. I'm not sitting here because I'm keen on well-bred horses. Where is he? What's he doing? Why is he saying that? Let's go on. Line 2. Now, cui is the dative of this word qui, quae, quod, who or which. And it's dative because phawes means you support, and I think there are some of you who know that is a word that's followed by the dative case. So that's the one who or the one which you support. The S on the end means you, doesn't it? We all know that. And ipsa means yourself and is feminine, and that's however. So however, the one which you yourself support, I pray that means so that or that he or that one wins or conquers. So again, but or however, the one that you yourself support, I pray that he wins. Right. And I told you that A on the end is a feminine ending, so we know the you he's talking to is a girl. So he's sitting there not keen on the horses. So there must be some horses there, or else there'd be no point in saying that. So he must be at the circus watching the chariot racing in some way. So he's not there after the horse racing, but he still wants one of the horses to win. And the horse he wants to win, or the chariot he wants to win, is the one that the person he's talking to supports. And that person is a girl. So he's presumably there to try and get in her good books because he likes her. That's what we can work out from lines 1 and 2, I think. Now we see from the comma at the end of Sidereum there that this is line 3 and 4 go together, so let's tackle them together. We now get the reason why he's there. Okay, he comes clean with this, and he begins with Weni. Okay, which, as you can see, is the perfect stem of Wenio, Wayne with a long E, plus the I of the perfect tense, first person singular. So I've come. Ut means so that. We now have his purpose for coming there in the first place. I've come that I might talk. That's where our word loquacious comes from. That I might talk with you, and that I might sit with you. And now we have the word ne, which expresses more purpose, but with a negative involved in it. So this is quite complicated. So that, but we must remember to put a not in later, so that the amor, the love, which you generate, quem facis, which you produce, be not, or is not, with a not from the nay earlier, is not known to you, or possibly unknown to you, makes it a bit clearer. So, I've come to talk with you and to sit with you so that the love which you generate is not unknown to you. Right. So, have a think now. What's he saying to the girl? What's he confessing? What are his reasons for being there? Are the reasons for being there, his real reasons for being there, the same as the reasons that he tells the girl why he's there? And if you were the person he was talking to, how might you respond? How might you feel? Do you know the guy? Is he a stranger? Is he a friend? Is he creepy? Does he know he's creepy if he is? Is it quite normal this, or is it a bit strange?